Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi T, I go by the name of Motseki. I'm a township entrepreneur from Hoopstad. I'm the founder of Mohlala, Apparel and Footwear. Here at Mohlala, we leave our mark through a bobbin and a needle by catering for our clients' apparel and footwear needs. As you can see here, for this day I have some sweaters, some beanies, because winter is around the corner, winter is approaching. So in this digital world, I'm just a call or a text away. On Instagram, you can find me at Mohlala Clothes Line. Facebook, Bokang Motseki, in parentheses, Mohlala. Numbers 06033000083. Hi, my name is Mohlala and I'm a township entrepreneur.